Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons and today I'm going to be talking about the one key fault in people who want to be successful. So obviously, this is talking from experience, something I used to believe and why it wasn't the right way to go. But since I've implemented it, God has it changed everything. It's just, okay, let's get into it. So the first point is that these people, they won't get a job, so no job. So they want to be successful and they want to start all these business models, and yet they won't get a job. It's so difficult to start up these businesses that are profitable without money, and yet when you propose to them, we'll just get a job. That's income. They won't get it, and that's such a huge fault. So, I means it's income. Like, at the end of the day, getting a job, it's money in the bank. It's coming in. It is guaranteed money coming in that you can spend and invest on your businesses. And before I got a job, I'm 16, I have a part-time job. Before I got that, I thought, I don't need one, I'll figure it out. I'll make money without getting a job. Until I realised, wow, there is physically no way of making money without a job unless you are around some super millionaire mentors that can teach you how to do it for free, unless you're good at starting up business models with no capital. So I got a job, and because I'm doing FBA, that was the right way to go, because again, it is income. So my last point is when you get a job, raising capital is just a matter of time. When you have a job and you are getting consistent income, you know it's coming in, it's just a matter of time. So for me, that is the exact same thing. I've got a job, I get paid monthly, so it's literally just a matter of months before I can start FBA. And where I'm at right now, I believe probably after I get paid this month, it might be another 2 months before I can start FBA. But it's literally just a matter of time. I'm going to start it this year no matter what. Unless, of course, we run into a bunch of issues about my age, and then we get sued. I don't know. But yeah, I want the takeaway from this video to be for those of you who are around my age, around 16 or even older, and you want to raise capital for these business models, because you know that starting one with zero is just so hard. Get a job. Go into McDonald's and say I'd like a job. Hand them your CV. If you've got ease, they'll hire you anyway, because it's McDonald's, okay? So please just get that income. It's safe, secure, and it's easy way to raise capital. So I hope this helped some of you. Just literally go into your local shop and ask if they're hiring. That's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos on lifestyle, career, Amazon FBA and more. And I will catch you in the next video.